Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you are doing well. At first, I like to thank all of my viewers for giving me such loves and support. Thank you so much again. Today, I discuss about how to improve your English speaking skills. Oh yes, this is very important questions. And in this video today, I like to share you some tips, some small tips by which you will be able to be fluent in English. I know that there are many people out there who are still struggling to improve their English speaking skills. There are many people out there who does not have an English environment at their home. They think that they studied from Assamese, Bengali, Hindi medium school. So how will they speak in English? So here comes the actual problems. First, you should not worry about learning a language. Believe me, English is not a subject. It's just a language, and you will be learning it. So in this video, today I like to share you three simple steps which you need to follow consistently and strictly. If you are consistent in learning English, then believe me, learning a language would be in the palm of your hands. So let's get to the three steps. First one is listening. Listening is most powerful to improve your English language. You not listen anything. Always listen to interesting things like some funny videos, movies, sports, news. Which type of thing do you like? So you find it and listen which is interesting. So you daily practice these methods, 100% improve your skills. So this was the first one. Now the second one. Now guess what it is. After listening, what do you need to do? Speaking. Oh yes, speaking is very important. But there are a lot of people out there who are scared to speak English in front of all others. And it happens, of course. When you don't know a language, that's where you will be scared to speak it out in front of others. But you don't be scared. Let other people laugh at you. Never matters. When you're learning a language, you should not care about what other people think of you. Okay? And you can also practice when you are alone at your home. So wherever you are alone at your home, you think of something. Yes? We always think of something. But we think of that in our mother tongues. Then you try to think of that in English. And don't only think, you try to speak alone with yourself. How much grammar knowledge you have? If you don't practice speaking, then it will be in vain, okay? So you should remember, always try to practice speaking. Always try to speak about anything that you find. First one was listening, and then trying to speak. And then the third one is reading. Reading helps us to improve our vocabulary. And why do you need vocabulary? Sometimes when we try to speak about something, we get stuck. And do you know why get stuck? Because we cannot find the right words. It happens to me as well. When I'm trying to speak in English, sometimes I get stuck. Because there are words that probably know, but it's not just coming out. It happens to everyone. So these are the 3 points. If you practice for these points consistently, then believe me, you want to take 1 whole year to learn English language. So for that, you need to read. When you read, automatically your stock of words increase. So that is how much important reading is. My suggestion is, at first you read keep books. That process helps you a lot. It will be like very simple for you. You just practice these steps. Always try to speaking and listening every day. So these are the few points that I really wanted to share with you today. I end up my talk with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with great patience. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.